artists, welcome to week 9 of Distance Learning. Just a general announcement for you. This is going to be the last week for new lessons for your core classes. So anything that you've been doing in all of your classes that aren't electives, specifically in your workbook, this is going to be the last week that they're offering new lessons. And then the following week, I'll offer an additional supplementary lesson, but it's going to be time for you guys to go ahead and get in any missing or late work that you haven't done so that we can get the credit in the grade book for you. Okay, so this week is all about imaginary animals, as you can see from the screen, and I'm going to be using the website called Switch Zoo, and this is a free platform, and we're going to look at that in a second. Your mission today is to create, and this week is to create any sort of mixed up animal. If you don't want to use your phone, your tablet, or a Chromebook if you borrowed one, or a family computer, you can go ahead and do this same activity by using you can use drawing tools, you can do a painting, you could even do a collage if you have some magazines at home. You could use flashcards for ideas for animals to mix up, or this could be a family lesson and you could get everybody involved and do a kind of combined charade style animal. Okay, so I already have the tab open here, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over for you. And this is one that I worked on. I want to start from scratch, so I'm going to refresh the page here, and then I'll just explain a little bit about how this website works. I'm also going to go ahead and show you how to do a screen cap since there's no option to save, but here we are. So it's all refreshed, and as you can see, you can click through a couple of different animals. So since I started with the bison, I think I'm going to change, and I'll just show you some options for manipulating we're going to do the cheetah this time. So the nice thing about this Switch Zoo Online, not only does it show you the animal habitat, but it gives you in the different parts of the animal, the head, legs, and tail. If you're not sure what the animal is, it gives you a little pop-up window that shows it to you. And then you can also go ahead and click on the habitats map, which is a good tie-in for both science and for social studies, since many of these animals are on the endangered species list. So you could learn a little something about these animals as well. All right, so to go ahead and get this started, I'm just going to start clicking on a couple of different animals until I find the one that I really like. And you all know that if you would like to do this version, but you'd like to use a different platform, the Photopea one is going to be photopea.com, is going to be a great editor for you to have similar results if you wanted to try something different. Ooh, I like the look of that. Fierce, yes. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to toggle feed through a few different ones. Oh my God, I love this. Ah, super fun. Okay, so let's see. I think I like, yes. Okay, done. So you could create one of these, many of these. So let's get started on how to do a screenshot super quick. So I'm going to show you the keystrokes on the Chromebook, and then you know that if you're using a different device, a cell phone or a tablet or an iPad, that you know how to just click those two buttons and take that screenshot. But on a Chromebook, you go ahead and you hit the Control Alt and then the multiple screens page or the switch screen page. And what that looks like is a little rectangle with 3 lines next to it, and that just tells it that you're going to capture that whole screen. So I'll go ahead and do that now and show you what it looks like. You're going to hit the Control Alt and then the switch screen. It's going to change your cursor from your normal arrow icon to this crosshairs icon. And the way that it works is you go ahead and click on the trackpad and hold down. And it's going to pop up a window saying that you can copy it to a clipboard. So I would do that, and then I could open up a slides presentation or paste that into an email if you wanted to share. You know, I'm always excited to see what you do. Other options for sharing, you guys know. You can also use Seesaw, or feel free to @ me at Instagram for Art at Calpudia. So that should be fun. Can't wait to see what you guys make, and be on the lookout for this video on the YouTube channel here. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through so you guys can see. If there's anything that you'd like to look at from lessons past, feel free to go ahead and watch these. And yeah, hope you guys have a good week. Please reach out if you need something, and you're going to get a special announcement from me later on this week about an event that we are hosting. So be on the lookout for that. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.